Hey guys, welcome to your week 2. So what all is happening in week 2? Let's get started into it. So your week 2 is your first time when you are actually going to be doing a CITI training, which is called a city training for being able to conduct research with human subjects or collect data or anything like that. So this is a training that you do. Here is the link. Here are the directions. You're only doing the social and behavior research training. The basic course is what you're going to be doing. And once you are done, you're going to upload that certificate here in the Dropbox. And the due date is February the 2nd. If you already have a certificate, which if you've taken intro to research with me, you may have already have that certificate and it is valid till the May of 2025. If it's valid this year, then you can just upload that and you get your full credit. You do not have to redo it. You just need a valid certificate till May 2025. So most intro to research students who've had me as an instructor should already have this certificate. If you already have it, just upload it. The certificate is valid for 3 years, I think. So check your emails and everything to see whether you have that or not. Otherwise, you have to do this training. This is a required training before you can collect any data, anything else. The next thing that you're going to do this week is you have a literature review that you've already done in your intro to research class. So you are going to upload that literature review in the Dropbox. You do not have to add anything, change anything or anything else unless you have to, like some of your research, if it's not possible to be conducted and okay, now I'm going to change stuff or anything else. You're going to upload that into the Dropbox for literature review assignment. I will be grading this literature reviews, even though you've done them in intro to research, by the same rubric that you had. However, this grade will not be counted in your overall grade till the very end of the semester. By that, what I mean is if there are things that you have to change in this literature review, revise, add, because expectations sometimes change, interpretations of rubric sometimes change, or anything else. So if that is something that is there, or if your literature review comes back as being plagiarized, more than 30%, you have to change things because that is plagiarized work above 30% will not get a grade, will receive a 0. So if that is the case and you have to make those changes and everything else, you have the whole semester to make those changes, and when you submit your final paper, it will already have a literature review. So I will grade it and I will replace this grade and it will count. Do you see where I'm coming from? So this one does not count for your overall score until the end of the semester. So at the end of the semester, a final paper, you get two grades. You get a final paper grade and you also get a literature review grade. So that is one of those things for you to really think about the changes that you have to make. The reason I do this is so that you know where your paper stands with the rubric. This rubric is the rubric that is followed by everybody. It is under revision because there are some areas that we would like to elaborate and everything else, but however, this is the rubric as it stands right now. And this, you must have seen this rubric before. I hope you have seen this rubric before, but it does talk about the APA citations in text and in the references and everything else. So those are the areas that I look for. I will provide you feedback on your paper, and I am happy to schedule times with you or in whatever is needed to help you make this a success. So please do not worry about it. I'm going to go back. So what do we have? We have the CITI training. Here's the link, the directions, the Dropbox. We have the analysis template, the template I just put in so that you can copy paste your literature review. If you already have it, that would also work. There are a few questions towards the end, but those are just for you to summarize things. And here is the rubric and the Dropbox. The last thing this week is we are going to have our mandatory Zoom meeting on Tuesday, January 28th. So you're going to just click on this link, and once you click on this link, you are going to have 2 time choices. It's going to be about a 45-minute meeting. Let me adjust this so that you can see all of this. So it's going to be a 45-minute meeting, 4 to 4:45 or 4:45 to 5:30. These are the 2 times available, but I can only have 8 students at a time. So first come, first serve basis. Whoever joins in first, when you come in, you will just simply click on this link and you will join it. Please make sure to have your cameras on and do not hesitate to ask any questions. This is going to be a meeting in which we talk about your research questionnaire, in which your research question, conducting the research in the field, how to best go about doing it, along with any questions you have, expectations of the course, and how is the course oriented throughout. So this meeting is always very helpful because it helps give you the overview of the whole semester and how to be the most successful. Okay, so best of luck. We go back. Best of luck, and if you have any questions at any point, please do not hesitate to put them on the course question discussion board. I look forward to meeting you guys on January the 28th, and I look forward to actually reading your literature reviews. Best of luck.